Hi, this is Asher with Conference Tracker Support, and today we will be going over how to use the Conference Attendee app. This guide is meant for attendees that are using our Conference Attendee Mobile App for the first time. You can download this app by searching for Conference Attendee in your respective app store. It is available for Android and iOS users. Whether attending an online event or an on-site event, you will have access to this app, which will help you navigate your event with ease. Let's get started. Once you've downloaded and opened your app, you will be met with your login screen. First step would be to enter your email. And then your password. Once you log in, you will see the intro screen, which will alert you to update your avatar. If you would like to skip this, just press anywhere on your screen, and you will skip that intro. You will immediately see your left-hand navigation menu, but if you swipe to the left, you'll be able to hide that and see your homepage. Your homepage will have some preset shortcuts that have been assigned by your conference organizer, but if you would actually like to see everything available, you can swipe to the right and bring up your navigation menu. Another method to bring this up is by pressing the top left button. Let's go back to the home screen to go over a few things, and then we will go over the navigation menu. In the home screen, aside from the shortcuts in the middle, you will also have access to the main conference's social wall. Click on the bottom tab here, and you will see the social wall for the conference. Here you can share photos, files, or messages with any other conference attendee, and they will be able to see, like, and reply to your posts. Going back to the home page, let's go down the navigation list to see all of the features that are available to you at your conference. First up, you will see a QR code here. This will actually be a shortcut to your badge. If your conference does have badges and you lost yours, you can simply press here, and your badge will load up. Press anywhere else on the screen to hide the badge. You can also find your badge by scrolling down until you see the badge option. Up next, we have the sessions section. You press on sessions, you will be taken to your session list. It will be categorized by date. Scrolling through, you will be able to see other sessions that are either upcoming or ongoing. If you would like to enter one of these sessions, simply press on the session name, and you'll be taken to its main menu. Here you will be able to see some important information about that session, and then at the bottom you will have your interaction options. If this session is being streamed, you will have a streaming tab down here, where you can click on Watch Now and be taken to that session's live stream. If you want to communicate with other people, you can click on Social Wall and you will be taken to that session's specific social wall, where you can ask questions and look at files that have been shared. Once finished, click the back button and you will be taken back to your main session list. At the bottom, you have some sorting and filtering options. You can filter by place, presenter, tracks, happening now, and registered. You can also sort by either time or name. You can perform a search if you're looking for a specific session. Or you can sync your sessions to your calendar app on your phone. Sessions that will be synced are denoted by this yellow heart icon. So if you are looking to get this session synced to your calendar, simply click on the heart icon and it will turn yellow. This means that you have bookmarked your session, and if you would like to just see your bookmarked sessions, click on the top heart here, which will filter it out. And if you click on sync at the bottom, all of your bookmarked sessions will be added to your calendar. Up next, we have presenters. This will show you a list of all the presenters available at the conference. Pressing on any of their names, you'll be taken to their profile where you can see their information and interact with them, either by posting on their public social wall or sending them a private message or even scheduling an appointment. Up next, we have sponsors. This will show a list of any sponsors at the event. Pressing on their name will take into their profile where you can schedule an appointment, request info, and see other communication information for that sponsor. Up next, we have exhibitors, which are similar to sponsors, just exhibiting companies at the event. Same as sponsors, clicking on their name will take you to their profile. The virtual exhibit hall gathers all of the sponsors and exhibitors at your conference and places them all in one easy-to-use spot. If I click on any of the sponsors, I will be taken to their exhibit hall, where I can actually scroll through other companies by pressing the previous or next buttons, or if I'm interested, I can click on the I button and I will be taken to their profile. Up next are announcements. Your conference organizer might send some announcements to you. If there are any, click here and you'll be able to see a list of them. Up next is the info section. The info section will have some important information about the main conference, such as website, location, dates, and other information. Last here, we have the maps section. If your conference is on site, your conference organizer may have uploaded a map that you can simply load and check out where to find each of the designated rooms. Scrolling down, we'll have the networking feature. First up will be people. Here you will see a list of all of the available attendees and presenters that are at your conference. These are all interactable, so if you click on any of their names, you'll be taken to their profile where you can post on their social wall or send a private message. If you have created any of those messages, you will be able to see a list of them in your messages list. You can also create new messages from here as well. You can also choose to interact with other attendees and exhibitors by creating appointments with them. If you click on the appointments section, you will be able to see all of those appointments, whether they're waiting for confirmation, they've been canceled or rejected, or they've already taken place. You can also create some new ones by clicking on the plus button. If your conference organizer has set up any polls, surveys, or evaluations, you will be able to answer them under the questionnaire section. These will show up as they are sent, so if you don't see any, that means that there are none available for you to answer yet. If I click on surveys, I will be able to see any pending surveys that I might need to answer, and simply clicking on their name will take me to that survey. If your conference organizer has set up some trivia, they will alert you with some instructions on how to use it, so please keep an eye on that. Usually they will send you a pin, and if you click on play with pin, you'll be asked to enter that pin in order to join that trivia and play games with other attendees at the conference. Below that, we have the profile section. Here you will be able to see some important information about your profile, your attendance, and other things. If I click on profile, I will be taken to my profile where I can add a photo, some demographic data, networks, biography, and so on. If I want to load my badge like I mentioned before, clicking on the badge will load that up. If your conference has self-sign-in enabled, you will be able to use your phone as a powerful scanner to scan session QR codes to sign yourself in and out. Your conference organizer will explain this more if they are using it, so please keep an eye out for that. Under attendance, you will be able to see any sessions that you have attended and see what time you signed in and what time you signed out. If you have any issues with this, please let your conference organizer know and they will be able to help you out. If you have been registered to any sessions, they will be listed under here. In this case, I don't have any. You can also take notes with this app, just in case you want to take some important notes while attending sessions. And if you have shared any files, they will show up under the My Files section. Below that, you'll have some information about the Conference Attendee app itself, such as the Help section, the About section, any conferences that you have added to your account, and of course, logging out. Thank you for watching this Getting Started video, and I hope you have a great day.